14 by hand. Again, I see a lot going on here. I see a fraction here, a fraction here. So what I'm going to do is I can either change it into a proportion and do cross products, which might be best here, or I can multiply by this denominator. Okay, so that cancels and I get 6x plus 1 equals. Now I have to distribute, so negative 3 times negative 4 is 12x. Negative 3 times negative 2/3, those will cancel, and I would get plus 2. I can subtract my extra variable using inverse operations. And because I subtracted it here, I subtracted here for the subtraction property of equality. And I get 6x plus 2 equals 1. I'm going to subtract my constant by using the subtraction property of equality. That 0 pairs out. I get 6x equals 1 minus 2 is negative 1. And finally, I'm going to divide by my coefficient to simplify to a single x. And I have to divide this side for division property of equality. And I leave it just like that, negative 1 over 6. I can put this in my calculator for NSolve. So, banana. I can put that, so I solve for x. Enter. Whoa! This decimal is not my answer choice. So I would go to my answer choices and plug in what I have and convert them to a decimal to see if they match. The answer choice that I might see is negative 1 over 6. So control fraction, negative 1 over 6. Control enter, and there it is. That decimal matches that decimal. So this fraction matches this decimal, and that's my answer.